How will globalization and localization affect your company? Let's decode the strategies needed to navigate this crucial landscape. Welcome to Future Advice, where we translate the language of the future into business strategies. We transform future predictions into actionable insights for your business. Today, we're going to delve into the intriguing dynamic between globalization and localization. In the 1960s, international trade in the USA accounted for a mere 10% of economic activity. Fast forward to the 20s, and that figure has swelled to over 25%. Here's the twist. The speed of globalization has started to lose momentum, and in some sectors we're seeing a complete turnaround. Why are we seeing this slowdown? What are the driving forces behind this trend reversal? Our planet is seeing rising waves of global conflicts, escalating political tensions, and changing oceanic trade routes, disrupting the status quo of our world. Self-sufficiency is the new buzzword, with a resurgence in food sovereignty taking center stage. The local food market in the US has skyrocketed from $5 billion in 2008 to a staggering $20.2 billion in 2019. Enter reshoring. A 2020 report from Kearney indicates a 6% upswing in domestic manufacturing's share in gross output in the US. Not just that, but data sovereignty laws, such as the EU's GDPR, are setting up hurdles for international players in digital markets, fostering a trend towards digital localization. As nationalism makes a comeback, with striking examples like Brexit and the rise of populist governments in Hungary and Poland, the tide is shifting more and more towards localization. Even countries with traditionally high wages are becoming appealing for local production due to rising salaries in erstwhile low-cost manufacturing hubs like China. So, what's fueling this reshoring trend? The answer lies in a potent mix of factors: supply chain security, quality control, brand image, advanced technologies, and reduced transportation costs. When the cost of offshore production starts rubbing shoulders with domestic costs, businesses begin weighing up the benefits of reshoring. The allure of a better brand image, improved quality control, and expedited delivery make reshoring a tantalizing prospect. Meanwhile, the rise of cutting-edge technologies like 3D printing and AI is pushing localization into the limelight. AI holds the power to services, and 3D printing could revolutionize manufacturing by decentralizing it, shaking up traditional supply chain models. The proliferation of IoT technology supports local optimization while contributing to global digital services. In a similar vein, blockchain can bolster both global transactions and local decentralized systems. So we find ourselves in a complex dance where new technologies can both amplify and diminish globalization. We're seeing a world that's growing more interconnected, yet more localized and individualized at the same time. Looking into the crystal ball, we might see an uptick in localization in sectors like food products, energy, manufacturing, healthcare services, and the retail and service industry. But on the other hand, digital services, software and IT services, financial services, e-commerce, and high-tech goods seem set to continue their march towards globalization. However, they could be impacted by political and regulatory shifts. So how exactly will these shifts impact your business? Take the example of reshoring. As the cost of overseas production and the long, complex supply chains become less appealing, bringing production back home could help improve the quality of your products and offer a significant boost to your brand image. It could also help to reduce costs and delivery times. Meanwhile, the rise of advanced technologies like AI and 3D printing could open up new opportunities for your business. They could allow you to personalize your services or decentralize your manufacturing, giving you a new edge over the competition. And as the trend towards localization continues, you might need to reconsider your business strategy. Are you ready to shift your focus to local markets? Are you prepared for the potential challenges of dealing with changing regulations and political landscapes? The key to surviving and thriving in this new world will be flexibility and the ability to adapt quickly. As the trends shift between globalization and localization, your company will need to be able to pivot and seize the new opportunities that arise. Remember, understanding these changes isn't just about staying ahead. but about survival in a rapidly evolving global economy. Here at Future Advice, we're dedicated to decoding these trends for your benefit. If these insights resonate with your business, consider subscribing and joining our journey towards the future.